In this video, we are going to install Partsam 6-gang switch panel. Hey guys, welcome back. My name is Greg, and in this channel I create product reviews, mods, install guides of cool car accessories and gadgets. So I'm gonna go ahead and determine where I wanna locate my switch panel box. I'm gonna put it over here next to my fuse, and the battery terminal positive is right over there. You wanna make sure that your cable does reach the battery terminal. Now we're gonna go ahead and determine where we're gonna go ahead and connect this ACC line. Now we go ahead and open up our fuse box. And determine which fuse I'm going to use. You're going to go ahead and get a voltage meter. We're going to clip this to a ground, an unpainted bolt. And I'm going to start with these fuses here. I already know I want to use this fuse. How to check? You want to tap both leads, make sure there is no current going through while the engine is off. So the engine is off. There is no voltage going through. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the engine. Then test it again. Yep, now we have voltage going through. So this is the fuse I'm going to use. I'm going to go ahead and remove that fuse. And get your supplied fuse tap and plug it into the bottom one. That's where the original fuse would go. The top one, this here, would be your new line. Now there is a proper way to plug this in. You want to make sure you plug this side, the outer side, to the fuse where the power source is coming from. So you want to check which side the power is coming from. To do so, we're going to go ahead and turn the engine back on. And then get your lead and touch one side at a time. Top side, there's no electricity. Bottom side, there is electricity. So you want to make sure the outer side goes like this. So we're going to plug it in this way. Now we're going to go ahead and plug our fuse in. There you go. Make sure it's nice and snug. Then we're going to get our ACC line and just place it in here and crimp it. Now we're going to go ahead and take this ground terminal and find a bolt, which is right here. I'm just going to go ahead and connect the ground terminal to this bolt right here. I'm going to place this switch panel box on top of the fuse box. Maybe screwing it or maybe just Velcro on top. Now we're going to go ahead and run this line to the positive terminal of the battery. Now that that's all connected, we're going to run this wire through the firewall into the vehicle. Now let's go ahead and connect the extension. Now I get my fishing tool. I'm gonna go ahead and clamp it into place and then just fish the wire through. With this Ford, it's fairly easy. We can just remove this cover here, just clamps, and then look for my wire. Just like that. Now to place the panel, I've determined I want to place mine right here. So I'm going to go ahead and use the included adhesive. We're going to go ahead and peel that. I went ahead and cleaned this with rubbing alcohol just to get all the grease and oils out. You just want to press it nice and firm. Now we get your connection, and we're going to go ahead and connect it together. You want to line up the two arrows. And then we're going to zip tie this and then tuck it in here. Now that's connected, let's go ahead and give it a test. There it is, on. So I plan on using this light, and we're gonna go ahead and mount it here. I don't have the mounting brackets, so we're just gonna wire it for now, just so I can show you how it works. So the light has two wires, one black, one red. We're gonna go ahead and ground the black one to a bolt, and go ahead and plug the red one in. This is my 5 amp spot number 6. So it goes 30 amps spot number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 30, 20 amps, 20 amps, 10, 10, and 5 amps. Now let's start the vehicle and see if that works. If you're interested in this product, I'm going to leave the product link in the description below. If you haven't done so already, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll bring you more content just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.